So yesterday I made these biscuits with only 3 ingredients. They are so delicious. The biscuits are light and fluffy. Let me show you how. We're going to first grease a pan with some shortening. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of self-rising flour to a sifter and sift it through into a large bowl. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar. And I'm going to add 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. And that's it. Those are the 3 ingredients: self-rising flour, heavy cream, and sugar. Mix that all together until the ingredients is well incorporated and your dough becomes sticky. Be sure to dust your mat with some flour, and we're going to start to knead. You're not going to knead for long. You're just going to keep going until your dough is no longer sticky. I'm going to start out by using my hands to shape my dough into a square shape, and then I'm going to go in with my rolling pin to continue to roll it out. Once I've rolled it out, fold it over, turn it to the side, and do the same process again about another 2, maybe 3 times. Now I'm going to use my biscuit cutter to cut out my biscuits. If you don't have a biscuit cutter or a cookie cutter, then just go ahead and use the rim of a glass. And make sure the thickness is however you like it. I like mine maybe a 1/2 inch thick. So I'm just going to finish cutting these out. I'm going to place them in my pan. Make sure your biscuits are touching each other. That helps them to rise better. Once the biscuits are in the pan, brush the top with a little bit of melted butter, and now we're going to put them in a 450-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown, just like this. When they come out of the oven, brush a little bit more of that melted butter on top and enjoy. So I got mine piping hot out of the oven and put a little bit of strawberry jam on there, and you guys, absolutely delicious. The best biscuit recipe ever, and it's so quick and so easy. These biscuits also freeze well. Just cut out any remaining biscuits you have, put them in a freezer safe bag, and store them until you're ready to cook them up right from the freezer into the oven. Enjoy.